Hey everybody, I just want to go over a minor issue that I was having that I was troubleshooting, and I resolved it. And I just wanted to make a video in case anybody else is having a similar problem. So I figured why not put it on YouTube. So the issue I was having was this is a screenshot of my Windows search function. So you hit your search button, regular Windows search here. We're not talking Cortana. So you hit your search button and you want to search for frogs. This is the way it should look, right? Windows search. I'm interested in frogs. See, you got all this frog stuff here, or you say I want to run command prompt. I can run it as administrator, pin it. You got some options over here on the right. But when I searched for frogs in my search field, this is how it looked. This is just like one column, whereas the regular search it's very wide. See, it's very wide. Mine is only half of the width. So let me see if I can show you another example. So if I wander, and I didn't have any loss of functionality, but it was just weird. Like instead of having these options on the right, all I would have is this one pane, nothing on the right here. I'd have to right click to see run administrator. If I didn't right click that, I wouldn't see any of these options. And you can see it looks different. The icons are here. See if I have a picture of how it's supposed to look. So yeah, that's searching for frogs. That's how it's supposed to look. That's how it was looking on my computer. So I started looking into issues people were having with Windows search. Now, as soon as Windows 10 made Cortana autonomous from the rest of the system, meaning you could get rid of it, I did. And less is more. Don't use Cortana. So I got rid of it from both of my computers. So both computers had Cortana gone, but one of them had the issue with the not expanding, not fully expanding search. So what I did I solved that. I started looking up other aesthetic issues. Like I said, I didn't lose any functionality. Everything works. But it looked different than every other computer. And I wanted to know why. So I started looking up issues people had with, presentation, like how it looks, issues with search. And I found that some people, when they would hit their search button, this whole area would be black. Now, I never had that problem. Apparently, that was like earlier this year. People got hit with that bug. I don't use the search feature that often. I don't know if I missed it, but I think I use it enough when you're feeling lazy and you don't want to you don't want to use a run. You just hit your search thing and type in stuff that way. But this would be black. There would be nothing here. It would have your notepad. None of this stuff would show up here. So the issue, while I wasn't having that exact issue, I said, let me give a try. Some of the fixes people used to resolve that to see if it would help me with my issue. And it kind of did. But let me show you what I did. So I go to the registry to this part of the registry right here, H key current user software, Microsoft Windows current version, and then you go to search. So what I did was, now I know for the black screen, when people have the black screen here, you also need to do this step, Cortana consent, the value needs to be 0. You need to set that to 0. You'd want to modify that, set that to 0. So mine's already 0. I didn't have to mess with that. Like I said, Cortana's been exercised from all my computers. I don't have to worry about that. But to fix my issue, I had to try what a lot of people did when they had the black screen. I said, let me give that a try to see if it'll fix my issue. So that would be a new dword value. And what was it? It was Bing search enabled. And yeah, Bing search enabled. And you just leave it as 0. It basically disables the Bing search. And then you log out of your computer or restart your computer to refresh the registry. And then when I came back, instead of having this, now I have this. Still can't spell though. Come on, frogs. All right, I'll type it in again. There we go. No results for frogs. Oh wow, it's that rare registry entry that works real time. Doesn't even need to refresh. So check that out. Huh? Learning something on the fly here. Some registry entries they take effect immediately. So this is already blocking out web results. So what I did was I saw that my window now looked fine. You see I have the whole area here now. So I said, yeah, but I don't have my web results. I want my web results. So it's back to the registry editor and simply delete this. Delete that value. Go back here and search for frogs again. Look at that. Now everything's back to normal. You have your web results. But yeah, that fixed it for me. You could create that dword value and then you don't need it. Get rid of it. You don't. If you want to keep using Bing, or you want to have web results in your search, right after you make that key that I showed you, just delete it again. It resets something and fixes something. So yeah, that's all you got to do. So I hope that helps somebody out there. Good luck.